Restore Orthopedics and Spine Center wanted to show you the case of the day. Actually, I have a number of these today. This is a root repair of the knee. It's not my only one today. If you wonder why I do so many, it's because I look for them. And why do I look for them? Because it's important. It's actually an epidemic. Like Dr. LaPrade said, it's a silent epidemic, which means that these are out there. And unless you look for them, you're going to miss them. And if you miss them, the patient's going to end up with arthritis. By having a root tear, which is right here, there's a lot more force that's applied to the joint here, about 25% more, and that leads to degeneration. So that's why it's important to find these tears and fix them. Here's how you find them. You go on the MRI, you go to the coronals. This is the front. You go to the back. When you go to the back, you look for the gap. Go to the back, look for the gap. In this case, there's also edema. When you go on the sagittal view here, you find the PCL. PCL is right there. PCL. One click over, there should be a meniscus, but there's not. Ghost sign, the meniscus ghost sign, root tear. There it is. There's a meniscus, and there it's not. That's called a ghost sign of the medial meniscus. There's some edema over here as well. And once again, there's a PCL, and there's the ACL. And let's go ahead and look at the root of the lateral meniscus. Here's a lateral meniscus. Follow the posterior horn. Follow the posterior horn. And there's where it attaches, which is fine. Okay, lateral meniscus root tears are actually much rarer and usually associated with ACL tears. Medial meniscus are usually associated with the 50-year-old person that's slightly obese with a little bit of arthritis. Once again, this is Dr. Mora showing you some important points regarding root tears, diagnosis, and why it's important to fix them. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.